Hi everybody, Mr. Dorsey here today to talk to you about the Alpine Butterfly knot. For all of my knot tying videos, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Well, one of the great things about the Alpine Butterfly knot is that it's a knot that you can make a loop in the middle of a rope. And so it's a midline rigging knot and it's non-jamming, so it's easy to untie. It's even easier to learn, so let's get right to it. Okay, so say I have a section, the middle of a rope, and I want to make a loop in it. We're going to make a loop, a big loop, and we're going to make another loop, making that one bigger. So it should look something like this. Now we're going to take this top end and we're going to fold it back over so we've got sort of a pretzel shape here. And this is what we want to do, is we want to take this end of the line and we want to put it right back through the middle of that, and we pull it through, and now we have a good tie down point for tying down a load. You can use that and accompany it with the trucker's knot. Like I said, it's really easy to untie, but this is a great knot for isolating a worn section of rope. Say you have some place that you've identified that it's been rubbing and it's no longer safe, the rope's been compromised. Well, we can just take that whole thing out of the picture by using this knot to can use this knot to isolate that section and still, you know, have a safe rope. So over, bigger loop on top, smaller loop down here. So we got like a figure eight. We just pinch it in the middle, and then you can take this compromised section, push it up through that hole, tighten it down, and you can still put a pretty good load on this either way. It can get you out of a jam. Alright, this can also be used as a bend for joining two ropes. So let me show you what that looks like really quick. If you like my videos, please subscribe for all of my knot tying videos and comment. And give this video a like. Talking about the Alpine Butterfly knot, but using two different ropes, tying them together, using the same concept. You can imagine if they were joined together, we could just use the Alpine Butterfly. So we're going to do that by just making a figure eight here with our two lines. And so you could see, like, this would be the Alpine Butterfly knot with for a mid-rigging line. But when you have the ends available, the tag lines, or you just want to make a section of rope longer, this is a good knot you can use. Again, we're going to pinch that here, we're going to bring this end down here, and we're going to bring this end down here. Now we're just going to take both of these tag lines or working ends and we're going to put them up through here, so they're going to go under and then up. So here's the first one, and then the second one going through. Hopefully you can see that. And then you just tighten it down, and now you've got the Alpine as a bend. And again, if you just want to make sure, never hurts to put a stopper in the end of either one of these lines. But a great way to make rope longer. There you go. Subscribe and like. We'll talk to you later.